welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Vanleigh Beacon 34 RLB. The Vanleigh Beacon is Vanleigh's top-of-the-line fifth wheel, full-body paint standard, luxury nice. I absolutely love everything about it. The body paint looks gorgeous. You have generator prepped. I love the 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, and I love the details that they did with painting the handles. You guys wouldn't believe how many higher-end brands don't paint the handles. It's important to do, and I think it looks fantastic. And we do have these very nice lipper component solid steps to come in on the inside. On the inside, you can see that there's no lights on, but it's still beautiful in here. Tiffin really turned it around by going to these light colors, but they didn't go with the traditional farmhouse colors. They kind of took their own spin on it. Nice cabinetry above, big windows, one of, if not the most comfortable sofas I've sat in an RV. Theater seats right here with a nice flush floor, and show that dinette right there as well, please. These theater seats are directly across from the TV entertainment center, fireplace, TV on a televator with storage, and then look at this kitchen. Beautiful, nice residential features and appliances, plenty of countertop, and of course everything is solid surface. Coming on up here, we do have a smaller bathroom, smaller fifth wheel though, you know, nice little shower, sink, toilet, and then look at this bedroom. This is what it's all about. Very nice big king size bed, prep for a stackable washer dryer there, big storage on this side, TV with 6 dresser drawers right there. Well, that's it. That's the review. That's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Vanleigh Beacon. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to purchase, great. Click that link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you guys to get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.